Yeah, but the syringe themselves, very, very similar. Without the packaging, you probably wouldn't be able to tell the difference of what chip was in there.
Yeah.
So handy that they're nicely labelled, because
yes,
we didn't know.
Otherwise you might end up sticking the wrong chip in someone, and that would be bad.
Cool, so
Awesome.
here is our VivoKey. This is the one that is going in your hand. I'll let you keep all the packaging because not the syringe itself.
Oh no,
that's going in by the way. But yeah, all of this lovely packaging. You can keep that as a little souvenir. So let's get into this. And I've touched a bunch of stuff. So let's just redo these. And you have just washed your hands for me, which is lovely.
Nice and clean.
We're also going to use a sterile wipe in just a minute, just to go over that on the exact location. So we're going for the right hand because instinctually you felt like it needs to go in this one. And that's as good a reason as any. So let's do that. So let's have your right hand just here.
Right there. I might need you over here.
maybe hold a foot if you can't hold a hand.
Yeah, here, hold a foot. There you go. Have it. Okay, we can touch feet.
It's good. It's romantic.
Yes,
I like it.
It's absolutely not ridiculous.
So just tuck your thumb inside and make a fist form. Make a fist the wrong way.
The wrong fist.
Yeah. And this just shows up here where we can clearly see now where the most fleshy area is. So
I've got a very fleshy whatever that is.
Yeah, it's good. Everyone pretty much has that same bulge, but it just makes it nice and obvious where we can get an exact kind of center point, which I would go is about here.
Cool.
And then just relax and open your hand again for me. And our entry point is going to be just where, so you've basically got two types of skin here, and you can see where it changes from your palm skin to the back of your hand skin. And it just needs to go about a centimetre into where it is definitely the back of your hand skin.
Okay.
And that's plenty of time. In fact, I'm going to come, just make a fist again for me. Chuck your thumb inside.
Oh yeah, sorry. I forgot to do it wrong.
I'm going to come inward slightly. I'm actually going to drop it more like here. Yeah, cool. Nice. So, in terms of piercings and tattoos and things, how are you in general with stuff like this?
I'm pretty okay. I mean, you saw me get that one, and I didn't cry. My first one, I cursed up a storm, turned the air blue, but the second one, I was stoic.
Excellent. You will be fine. It's about as quick as most piercings, maybe even a little quicker. Does depend on sort of skin toughness a little bit.
Yeah. With this one, I had that done 3 times. And
might be a little way. I'm actually going to stand up for this. So just relax your hand completely. It's going to go super floppy, and I'm just kind of going to get it where I need it to be. That's it. Most of what you're going to feel here is just a hard pinch, I'm afraid. So just relax. So you're already breathing. This is good. I don't even have to do my thing.
Is that everything? Is that done?
Yeah. So we're just going to keep a little bit of pressure on here for a few seconds. And then we can just relax and like flat out.
Okay. There was a moment of internally, but could you tell?
Was it the first bit or
Yeah, it was the first kind of
the force.
Yeah.
And then you kind of don't feel much after that.
No, it's like
you don't really feel it come out either.
No.
It's just
no, everything after that just felt like an echo of the first kind of
just that first shot.
Yeah.
Which is the same for most like injections and piercings and other things. So yeah.
Well, I mean, I found with this one, the pain was in the jewelry going in instead of the needle thing. And with my first tattoo, it was the going over the second time that was the worst bit. Whereas this one, the first part was the worst, and then everything after that was okay. Yeah.